Today we're out hiking the Seuss Creek Trail. It's a loop trail that's about 6 miles. We did just take the wrong trail and hiked about a half a mile in the wrong direction. So now we're headed back down and we're gonna meet up with the correct trail in about a half a mile. But we just said it was a little warm-up hike, like half a mile up a hill in the wrong way. But yeah, it's beautiful out here so far. We are about an hour from where we're staying in Belgrade, Montana. This hike is out near Livingston, Montana. So it was cool to drive through that town too and check that out. But yeah, looking forward to a nice day out in the woods. We're headed back down the trail now. The trail was a loop and we're definitely happy that we took the advice of some All Trails reviews and we went counterclockwise because on the way up it was pretty shaded and it was next to the water and it wasn't super steep. It was a little bit longer. And then on the way back down it's shorter but steeper and there's not much shade and it's really sunny, so this would have been pretty brutal in the heat right now. So we're glad we took that way. We probably have maybe 30 more minutes of walking to go and then we'll be back at the car. Today we're out driving on an off-road trail. It's called the Wilson Creek Divide Trail here in Montana. I'd say we've been driving for maybe an hour and a half or so.
From the house, hour and a half. On the trail, 40 minutes.
So we drove up this trail through the forest and we just found this incredible view. So we're taking a few moments to relax here and then we probably have, I don't know, 40% of the trail left to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, so a little bit left to go on the trail. Absolutely beautiful so far. It's a great day. It's great weather. And yeah, you really can't beat this view.
I woke up with you on my mind. Watch the air turn as you breathe. Yeah, the morning feeling up your eyes, waking up the life in me. You set my soul on fire, you pulled my heartbeat toward the sun. You give me new eyes open, you call my heartbeat into love. There
So before we left, we packed up a box with some drinks and some snacks, bananas, peanut butter, protein bars, trail mix, everything to have for lunch, and we accidentally left it in the house. So thankfully we have our camp box that we keep in the back of the Jeep most of the time, and we have a few dehydrated meals, like backpacking, camping type meals, that we've just kept in there for an emergency or if we don't have food. So we're just cooking up one of our meals right now, and it's not a bad place to stop either. There's an amazing view behind me. It's quiet in the woods. Haven't seen anybody, so yeah, not a bad place to stop and have some lunch.
You set my soul on fire. You pull my heartbeat towards the sun. You give me new eyes open. You call my heartbeat into love.
So today we're out on a dog walk at a trail right outside of Bozeman. It's called the Drinking Horse Trail. It's only about 2 miles, just a nice little afternoon walk. It was supposed to rain, but it hasn't come yet, so that's good news. And yeah, just out on a nice little walk.
Just a little one.
Just a little one.
A little one for a little lady.
Okay, bye.
Put your hand in my hand, darling, say go. Keep your eyes on the